Denzel Washington, a starrer high and low, ramps up for production. Denzel Washington's next film, High and Low, has added another superstar to its cast, Jeffrey Wright. According to the Hollywood Reporter, the Spike Lee film is slated to begin shooting this month after hiring the 58-year-old actor, who just received an Oscar nomination. High and Low is supposed to be a reimagining of Akira Kurosawa's film of the same name and a partnership between Apple Original Films and A24. The 1963 Japanese movie revolved around a shoe executive who was in the middle of a complex corporate takeover when his plans are derailed by the accidental kidnapping and ransom of his chauffeur's son instead of his own son, according to the official summary of the film. Spike Lee, who will direct the picture, last teamed with Denzel Washington on Inside Man in 2006. He will helm the forthcoming 2024 adaptation, which Lee co-wrote with Alan Fox. The project was created and produced by A24, Escape Artists, and Mandalay Pictures, and its release date has yet to be announced.